Welcome to our guide on cleaning your bathroom exhaust fan. A clean fan is essential for maintaining good air quality, preventing mold, and ensuring safety in your home. Let's dive into the tools you'll need: a screwdriver, a vacuum with a brush attachment, a microfiber cloth, mild soap, and a step stool. First things first, always turn off the power to your fan to ensure safety. Then gently remove the fan cover. Wash it with soap and water to remove dust and grime. Next, use the vacuum to clean the fan blades and motor housing thoroughly. A microfiber cloth will help you wipe down any remaining dirt. Don't forget to check the vent duct. If it's dusty, give it a quick clean to maintain optimal airflow. Once everything is spotless, reassemble the fan and restore the power. For ongoing maintenance, aim to clean your fan every 6 to 12 months. Listen for any unusual noises that might indicate a problem and consider replacing the fan if it's no longer performing efficiently. And remember, when in doubt, One Click Appliance Repair is just a call away, ready to help keep your appliances running smoothly. Happy cleaning!